Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. I was about not to do any kind of video today. We are the 12th of August 2021. In the end I'm gonna do one because I know you guys, you want to know absolutely what's gonna happen next on Bitcoin when all my Twitter feed is full of people super scared. No, we are dumping 2%. Oh my god, it's the end of the world. By the way, that's my Twitter account if you want to go check it out. So without further ado, let's get to this video, and in the second part we are going to have a look at Ethereum. None or less, none more. I don't remember the English way to say it. Plus ou moins, ce sera Ethereum. Voilà! I know you always wanted to hear me speak French, yeah? Well, here we are. So, this is our Bitcoin chart, and this is my coffee, and I'm gonna drink it. Guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to it. You know what we do on YouTube to help grow the channel. Why? Because it's super hard, really, to grow a channel in 2021 because all the main seats are already taken, and you really need to push the algorithm of YouTube, and there is only one way. Even if you are, let's do something, guys. Even if you are happy with the channel, if you are one of my 3,000 subscribers watching this video since the beginning, even if you've never done it, do it just this time. Leave one like and leave one comment, whatever you want. Apparently that's what pushed the algorithm up, so please do it right now. And of course you can subscribe to and the notification bell. I never tell you, but apparently it's also very important in the algorithm. So that's it. Sorry for that, but that's the only way to make you aware of what can help this channel grow, and I have to insist on it because that's the only thing I'm asking you here since ever. So here is our Bitcoin chart. As usual, guys, I never touched it. All this yellow prediction that you can see here were done in this very same video, and you can see I have quite a good rate of accuracy. All these moves were planned, and guys, that move here went a little bit more upside than I was expecting, but see, that retracement is happening right now. So don't be scared, please don't be scared. I was thinking I'm not doing any kind of video today, but because I know everybody's scared and freaking out, and there is nothing much to say. It's just the normal market behavior to retrace a little bit. If you're not leveraged, if you're not short, if you're not doing stupid stuff, there is no reason why you would be scared right now. All right, coffee check. So what's next? What's next, guy? Our S&P. Look at this. Look at this. It's super easy to predict. So this again, the yellow things are my prediction. The S&P shows a few bearish signs at this point, but we are ranging and probably retracing in this area. Okay. I know you don't really care of the S&P, but it's important to know where Bitcoin is going. So we know that this resistance line here, it's extremely important that we broke it, and that it's a sign that this kind of move can happen. And that's great because it's a probable scenario. So we are going to move it there because it's obviously a little bit postponed. And if it's gray, don't go trading it right now. The yellow ones are the one you can trust. And by the way, trade responsibly. Don't trade just based upon my prediction. Here we are. The Shandemo is ranging in the middle, but this can dump very fast. Just a little bit slight move down can really consume the rest of it. The VIX is going up. The MACD seems that it's crossing. The most significant and the most beautiful indicator here is actually the RSI, where we meet all this resistance just a little bit lower from where we are. And see, guys, we are already in the middle of the RSI. Look, proportionally, what does it tell you, guys? It tells you there is nothing much to be scared of. This little retracement here is the whole half of the RSI. While look at this, this is the whole half. So proportionally, guys, no problem. We are sustained by this resistance line here and by this one. So I'm gonna stick with this prediction that I did before. We are probably going a little bit lower today, and then we'll bounce back, and we have a resistance here that I'm not drawing, but we'll be ranging back there probably very soon, tomorrow. Around 46,300, probably tomorrow. It can take a day or two, the time everybody's scared. Just a quick look at DOGE that I'm still in, of course. DOGE is behaving like a good dog. Good dog, DOGE. You can see it's resisting well and it's still in profit today. So good dog, good dog. And it's already also very near to that resistance line, can range a little bit here and then go up there. And our concern here is Ethereum, that it's a while we didn't analyze, because Ethereum is one of the hardest assets to predict. I have to tell you this, and for real, it's not so easy. I made my worst prediction, I made them on Ethereum, so you are warned. But what do you expect? The price that goes up forever? It's normal, we retrace a little bit sometime. So what are our resistance level? We need to go upper on that chart. We have one, it's more like here. Oh no, I'm not satisfied with this one. Clearly we had that one. I think we have one here. Let me zoom in. I'm not drawing all of them, but I'm finding the most significant ones. And clearly that one is significant because you see we bounced over it there. What happens when we break that? Fireworks. Fireworks. Because let's see if we have another one. This one is one, clearly. It's much higher. But it's not really, yeah, it's clearly much higher. I don't think there is anything else. And guys, the time we break this resistance here that you see that we are ranging on right now, supported by this moving average here that we nearly bounced on it. Bitcoin also wants to test the moving average. We need the moving average to cross also that resistance. So what happens when we cross it? First of all, the daily scenario, you want to know it. VIX extended. We got this resistance line here that we are going to extend also. That is a little bit lower. There is room, but here we had another resistance that also we nearly bounced it. So there is maybe a little bit of more downside for today, for everything. Okay? The time we touch this. So, but it's really not going any lower than this. Really, we are going to stick into that range, guys. We are going to stick into that range. It's not that crazy. That's why I was thinking maybe I'm not doing any video here, because it's just a little bit of ranging. It's no big deal. What you want to know is what happens when we break 3,300. And the same as the rest. This is gray. It's a potential scenario. Guys, if we break 3,440, 3,400, we should straight up 5,232 all-time high. Get on board. Get on board. The train is leaving the station. Get on board. Choo choo. No, seriously, guys. Seriously, get on board. This is gonna be a beautiful season. I have only one regret. Is that some of these crypto YouTubers I really don't like are getting billionaires these seasons. No! No! You see more open mouse thumbnails and they're gonna be everywhere. That's why you need to help the channel grow, please. Seriously. As I told you guys, even if it's the first time, even if you've never done it, you're watching this channel since a moment, please just leave one like and leave one comment, whatever you want to leave down there, and hit the notification bell. That's gonna help the channel a lot. Sorry, I removed the music. A lot to be really outstanding on YouTube, because it's really a mess and horrible. Its internet is like that. Once you miss the very first early start, it's really hard to get on board when it's too late and when there are already 10 big people training. There is no way. It's very hard to climb on the top. So please do that and we'll be alright. We'll be alright. Thank you very much for watching. I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.